Ready to supercharge your Jira game and wrangle those tasks like a pro? Alright, let's dive into Jira and learn how to define your developers, set crucial due dates, and correctly assign tasks. We will cover your most important fields for efficient task management. First, we'll start by creating or opening an existing issue. See this issue. Let's get it ready to go. You'll see several fields at the top ready to fill out, but if you did not already create those fields, we'll show you how in another video. So make sure your fields are already set up. The first field to address is Assignee. This is simple. Click on the field and search for the developer, or team member you want to assign the task to. Typing their name will bring up a list of options. Then choose the right one. This instantly tells everyone who's responsible for this issue. Great. Now go to due date. Click the field and a calendar pops up. Select the date the task is due. This helps everyone stay on track and prevents deadlines from slipping. Ensure you are setting realistic and reasonable due dates. Now for the developer field. If one did not exist, there might be an issue. If that is the case, you will also have to create the developer custom field like the assignee. This is where you'll enter a person. This field helps track the team member dedicated to completing the task. See how easy that was? By filling in assignee, to due date, and your assigned custom developer field, you've created a clear path for task management and can easily track who is responsible for each issue. Congratulations, you are now equipped to master Jira basics. Proper configuration leads to better collaboration, smoother workflows, and more successful projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jira tips and check out our related videos.